Francis Binder. Much better start than last week. You can't make it worse than last week. Money.
Hindi pa yung support.
Arctic children here. Chris Damiano.
Number 12, sakay.
6-4-0 Lightning. Donnie Taylor. He breaks it in. Break out the break. Oh! Number 5 goes to Manuk. Manuk!
Oh shit.
Start the clock.
My bad.
We get like 10 minutes. Richard Stoller, good job. Please wake him up. Brandon Memphis.
Kada ko napindot.
Kevin Grimes. He gets scared the Iron Tower. Loses the ball.
Ito si ano?
Pick and roll. Hey, good.
We're up. Tied up. Paano ko mabala ko siya? Nagtatakbo yan ha. Push foul.
290. Simpson double team, moving the ball, moving the ball.
Pa rin ako nakala.
Oh,
Oh, no good. Johnny, siya ni Johnny Red. Johnny. Dahil sa kainan siguro ito. Kasi December eh. Daming party. Kasi wala yan ito eh. Wala yan. Puspaw! Ay. Super! Sikat personal foul, Danny. That's second center. Grab. Kain ka. Hindi ka na. Tapos na lang mo. Ang malas na siya. Grabe. Dahil sa lamig yun? Ano? Ewan ko. Kung kami lahat eh. Tingnan yung stat nyo. Hindi kayo, 20% lang yata yung... Hindi kayo manalo. Sa Lindon of the
Second one, nothing better. Terrible display of Taylor shooting.
What the hell? Oh.
Oh, is that the third foul on Donnie?
Yeah, third foul. Third foul. Third personal foul, Danny. He wants to go home early.
We'll try to protect him.
Eight, 4.
When he's on home, he's limping a little bit. Mario has 3 fouls.
6 minutes. Ready for sub, guys. Ready for sub. Sub.
Good start by the way.
5 minutes.
Not so much. Substitution with our team.
Cocktail kasi akal si cocktail. Lamig siguro.
Francis finds Vincent for 3. Nothing. Javier with the rebound. Kevin takes to Javier. Still moving. Francis with the rebound. Loses the ball. Walking out of it. Good mark. Number 3. Bonnie loses it. Not a good start for you, Mark.
To 4. 8-point lead by Davao Eagles.
Stop the bleeding because now Francis gets it. Losing his hit. Francis tries.
Principal. Principal. First personal foul.
Di ba hindi kasama? Who's going to stop the bleeding?
Hindi kasama-sama.
Quality 3. Quality 1. Mark guy. That's the win for 3. 5. I don't want this team for the defense. Oh, Pierce! Oh, Houston! He's determined. 14-7.
First foul. Ang lakas nilang team ito. First foul. Vincent. 12. RB. Lakas nilang team ito eh. Wala pa nga. DJ yan eh. DJ ba? Lakas na. Yung team nyo malakas. Wala pa nga DJ. Ooh.
like he was falling apart.
1 minute, 34 seconds in first quarter.
Mario does a great no count. But Chris Sumner collects track and finishes it. Mark goes in for three. Chris with three now. They wouldn't even give you a basket in the NBA tonight.
Oh, it's already.
Tumama sila.
35 seconds.
Nobody.
30 seconds.
30 seconds to go in the first quarter. 18-11. 3 for 3. Running through down. Turns. Loses it. 10 seconds to go. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the end of the first quarter,
Dalawa yung stats niya.
terrible place to play in the winter.
Last of 2025. Back for more.
Oh, puro kayo. Nagjajakol siguro kayo lahat. Lahat kayo nagjajakol. Lahat kayo. What's wrong with you, man? Is it a cold? Yeah, I don't know. Is it cold?
Kailangan namin yung trees mo. Sabi niya, si Lyndon.
Francis pulls up for three. He's good!
Yeah, 3 points by 3 points by Francis. Malas tayo, Richard ah. Yung 20 points mo, naging 0 points. Yes, sige.
January, bawi tayo dyan. Last loss of the
Foul, Kevin. First team foul.
Under 10 minutes to go. That's the worst shot I've seen all day. And he makes
6-point lead.
6-point game. Black team is coming back.
9 minutes, 25 seconds.
Tagliero, Frankie Tagliero.
Foul. 5.
Oh, Shannon gets back.
Barok. 5. Number 5. Number 2. Who's foul? Barok.
From this far.
Second personal foul. The warning for penalty.
You guys' money is worth on that guy. First one is good.
Makakagit ang block.
Second one.
Oh.
Hopefully he just got hit with the crown jewel. You need to see anybody get hurt.
Baka na natuhod sa likod.
Walang yung mic. Wala pala yun siya. Yung parang sciatic. Dito. Wala yung mic. Sige, din.
And for three, way off. Francis cleans it up for the bucket. 26-23. Nobody.
Sa Jory, eh.
It's all good.
Sub! You can sub.
That's the wrong side for you.
If you want to sub, you can sub.
We'll call timeout.
Wala, dinagdagan yung trabaho ko eh.
Not yet, because your team doesn't want it. your team doesn't want it. Ayaw pa. Kasi pa na ilang minuto po. Yes, sickness po.
Wala pa na.
Wala pa. Serve! Serve! Paulaan mo. Penalty na. No, it's a offensive foul.
You going?
And then finally, it was three penalties and one. Back to Ward. Or 45, 5-point game. Making no struggle. Francis Newton. Three, 45, three, nothing to break. Francis,
Penalty na. Yeah, get penalty. Right? All fouls gonna. Oh, here.
Two shots.
The gapper. No, it's like you won.
Complete the 3-point play.
Yeah.
Does it say you win or you
7-point game, 2-10 to go.
I picked the wrong one.
From the free throw line. No good.
We want a refund.
He pushes. No defense. And one! Oh, where is the
Basket
defense?
black 11, orange sheet.
There is no defense. Thank you.
Wala kang dala? Tingnan ko doon sa...
Diretso ako sa trabaho eh.
Completes the 3-point play. 1:25 to go. 10-point game. Warren Don. I'm ready. Mark the three. That's a much better looking shot than the previous one.
Yeah, so time out. Yeah, time out.
Nakal na eh.
Time out.
I saw it.
No more time out. No more time out here. Still 2 timeouts here.
Nakal already.
Are you okay, Chris?
No, why? Heater's not on.
I don't know. I've been asking them. They said that they already thrown on the...
They are lying to you. They did not turn on the heat.
That's why everybody off.
Everybody's slower.
I don't know.
It's just as cold as inside as it is outside. We might as well just play it outside. What's the point of being inside? Fifty-nine seconds to go.
Last game na lang, di ba?
Third game to eh. May last break pa sila.
Isa pa.
One-point game.
Ano, no? Ha? Second pa lang. Last shot!
Wala pa nanalo. Wala pa siguro. Richard. Kay Richard.
Oh, nice. Nabaliktad mo na kaya?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa?
Ay, I think okay na.
Okay na?
Home nito eh.
Oh, home. Home yung 36, di ba? Okay. Time?
Ikaw, sino?
Sub.
Out of subs.
Go. Move. Wait, what happened to him? Chris. Chris.
He just went straight down. Sure.
Oh, shit.
That's
Yeah. Sub. Sub.
I stopped that game right away. I thought, nope, we're not playing with injured people.
Nangyari, naipit.
You ready? You ready to go?
No, not yet.
He said wait. He said wait.
Hender's not back. We're missing Ronell, yeah. Yeah.
Where the nurses? We're like hella behind.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. You go over here.
Okay, yeah. He's back.
Yeah.
Shot no good, Francis. Donnie. Now he's hurt. It's too cold in here, man. It is way too cold in here to be playing basketball.
Oh, ikaw lang muna dyan. Alam mo na yan dyan, para matuto ka eh, para, kasi iba na eh. Diba? Kung mag 2 points, kung may assist, nakita mo yung assist sa... Sino yung mag-kasi, may iba eh. Yung, yan, Pinyang yan, number 3, 21 yung number dito.
21.
Oo, 21 yung number dito.
Uy.
now again. That's why it's cold. They don't have heater.
Of course.
Come on.
Here, I gotta get ready. I gotta get loose.
Oh, we playing you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano si Richard? Dito ka lang kasi para mag-relax ka. Dyan man. Sige. Si Richard.
Punta sa kotse niya.
Tawag. Oh, good again. Rebound by Vincent. Francis to RB. Kasi awkward eh. Kasi yung mag-rebound siya. Tuhod yung ginagamit ko. Ano yan, tuhod? Yung, bakit tuhod? Bakit siya?
Sakit.
Kung ano yung tuhod mo? Kaya yung tuhod niya, nagka-bruise dito. Kala ko nga, bali eh. No good. Rebound by Baruch. No good by Vincent. Oh, assist. 2 points by Chris. Assist by Andrew. Chris Bang.
Sino yung baro kanina dito?
Number 4. Ayun number 4 kasi. Then, yeah, assist ni Andrew. Score ni Chris Bang.
2 points.
Yeah, 2 points. Yeah, sure. Rebound by Andrew. Wala, Chris. Wala, magandang si Chris. Good by
Who put Andrew and Donnie on the same team?
Danny. Oh,
Oh, salamat.
ikaw muna din. Wala practice ka. Yeah. 2 points by Francis. 2 points Francis. 2 points Francis. Doon. Yeah. Francis. Francis. Walang assist, wala. Foul.
The other 12. The
Number
other
12, RB. RB. Foul, RB.
The other 12.
No. Delete. RB Ramos. Foul, Davao Eagles. RB. No, RB. Foul. No, delete. Foul. RB. RB. 11. Score 1. Danny. Turnover, Francis. Yeah, double. Turnover, Tio. Francis. No good, Chris Bang. Rebound, Chris. Turnover.
White?
Yeah, white. Double Eagles. Turnover. Tito. Erwin Saldo. Number 12. Ready for shot! No good by Chris again. Rebound by Donnie. No good by Ting Yang. Rebound by Vincent. Sub. Your buddy here, did you see, you didn't see Dan Barber play?
No, I heard about that. He did all
Playing
right.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm so happy for him.
yeah, me too. He's on a good team too. That'll be nice.
I think they're the team to beat.
No, they're not. But I'm in good second place.
Monkey said it. No, I told, Henry, I told Josh that No, you cannot beat us. we have a body to defend you because they are big guys, right?
What was our team? Okay. Now to be the big guy anymore.
Oh, 2 points by Vincent. 40. Vincent. 10. No good again. Tam Gonzalez. Federico. Rebound. Rebound by Chan. Chris. Chris rebound. This one is That's Chris. 35. Good point. Irving. No good again. Rebound by Chan. Oh. Tam. 2 points by 2 points. Tam. Chan, then rebound by Chan. 26. Rebound by Chris. Rebound by Jason Ward. Rebound by Jason Ward. Jason Ward. Still over there. Chris. Oh, steal by Arby. Number 12, steal. Double eagle. Bobby foul. Bobby Chan silly. No, it's the Mega Boss. Bobby foul.
One minute, 28 seconds. The goal, 3 points by Vincent. 45-36. Jason for 3, no good. Rebound by Chris. Francis, no good. Rebound by Chan. 1 minute, 4 seconds, time remaining in third quarter. So Sam, good for 2 by Sam. 38-45, 7-point lead by Davao Eagles for white team. Arby. Oh, still by Mark. Wow, full foul. Number 12, Arby. Second personal foul.
Foul, RB. Not one. Third personal foul, RB Ramos. White ball, 20 seconds. Time remaining. Third quarter, 20 seconds. 18, 17, 16, 15. Chris for three, no good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And on third quarter. Ako na yung sasakta. It's okay, huwag mo na i-start muna. Kasi start of fourth quarter.
Ha? Patron siya, patron pa.
Start the fourth quarter.
Yeah, you can just start. You just start. Let's roll.
Yeah. Start the fourth quarter, guys. Andrew, no good by Andrew. Rebound by Andrew again. 2 points by Andrew.
Start na ba kuya?
Yeah. 40-45. 5-point lead by Davao Eagles. Steal by Andrew. Andrew. 2 points by Pinyan. Chris with the ball. 42-45. To Chris. No good by Chris. No good. Rebound by Francis.
Kita mo
Francis. Yeah, kita ko. And one. Who's foul? 77, Andrew. How many foul? Second personal foul, Andrew. 13 foul. Francis. Another free throw. Good one. 48-42. 6-point lead by
What time's up?
6 minutes.
6 minutes? Okay. And then open?
Yeah, it's open. Chris Bang for 3. No good. Rebound by Chris. Francis. To Chris. Good for 2 for Chris. Assist by Francis. 50-42. 8-point lead again by Davao Eagles. Danny. To Pingyang. No good. Pingyang again. Jump shot. No good again. Rebound by Baruch. Steal. Steal by Chris again. 10-point lead. Again, to Andrew. 42-52. No good again. Rebound by Francis. To Chris. What's foul? 35, Chris. Tabieros. 14 foul. How many foul, Chris? First personal foul, Chris Tabieros. 14 foul. Davao Eagles. The white team. 9 minutes, 15 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock.
Oh, steal again by Francis Carian. Francis winning the ball. People to 42. 20 seconds shot clock. 15. 10 seconds shot clock. Vincent.
5.
5, 4, 3. Last number 3, Pinyan. How many foul, Pinyan? 14 foul, Pinyan, 21.
10 points for my shot clock.
11.
Second personal foul, Pinyan, 14 foul.
11 di ka ba
Mega
kuya?
Bulls. Ha?
11 points ang
Ano?
pagkawal. Ano na? Running.
Hindi, 15 up.
Oo.
Francis, winning by Francis. 10 minutes, 10 seconds. Another free throw from Francis Carian.
Drakal kayo. Drakal kayo. Cheat code.
Good for one from Francis, 53-42. 11-point lead by Davao Eagles. 25 seconds shot clock. Andrew, no good by Andrew. Rebound by Chris. Oh, good. 25 seconds shot clock. No good again. No good. Foul. 21, Francis. 15 foul. Davao Eagles. How many foul, Francis? Second personal foul, Francis Carian. 15 foul. Davao Eagles. 7 minutes, 17 seconds. Danny shooting for 2 free throws. No good by Danny. Another free throw for Danny. Another one, no good again. Again, Danny for 3, no good again. Rebound by Chris to Erwin, to Vincent, to Francis. 6 minutes, 50 seconds. 20 seconds. Again, Francis! Ang himaw. Kinain ang buhay. Again, Danny. Pinyan for 3. No good. Rebound by Vincent. To Erwin. Foul Pinyan. 15 foul. Third personal foul, Pinyan. 15 foul. Shooting for 2 free throws, Erwin Saldo. 55-42, 13-point lead. Ready for sub, one after siya, you can sub. Open sub. Goal for one. Substitution, 56-42. 5 minutes, 54 seconds. Shooting for 1 free throw, Erwin Saldo. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes, 40 seconds. Time remaining. Erwin, no good play. Rebound by Andrew. Andrew, good for 2 by Andrew. 44-56, 12-point lead. 12-point lead. 25 seconds shot clock. Vincent, 20 seconds shot clock. Traveling by Vincent, turnover. 4 minutes, 55 seconds. Danny, time for 3, no good again. Rebound by Erwin. 4 minutes, 42 seconds. To Chris. 20 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds shot clock. 10. Oh, no good. Tom, dribble the ball. No good. Again, Tom. No good again. Oh, 2 points. 46-56. Time out. One more timeout, Davao. Two more timeouts, Mega Bulls. 10-point lead, 46-56.
Sino yung timeout?
Patay mo oras ito.
Timeout. Okay. Basta si Kanap dito.
Minutin mo.
Sorry, little bit both.
Oo.
Back to the ball game. 4 minutes, 9 seconds. 4 minutes, 9 seconds. 4 minutes, 9 seconds. 10-point lead by Davao Eagles. Fifteen seconds left. Oh, steal by Johnny. Oh, counter steal by Vincent. Foul. Foul number 55. Yeah. 16 foul. Warning for penalty. Mega Bulls, warning for penalty.
Dali.
Fourth personal foul, Danny Crumble. Fourth. So 3 minutes, 25 seconds. Danny on base corner. Go, shot clock. Crashes! Good. Rebound by pass again. Go. Foul. Who's foul? John. Penalty. 17 foul. Done. Yeah, done pass. 2 free throws for Francis Carian. 2 free throws. What a game by Francis. Reset.
Ano sila yun?
Oh. Sino pa nga nagka-improve mo?
2 for 1 for Francis. Another free throw for Francis Carian. 57-46. Good. Rebound by Andrew. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Again, Sam for 3. No good. Rebound by Andrew. Again, Sam. And 1. Yeah. 48-57. Last 2 minutes in fourth quarter, last 2 minutes. 49-57. Arvin for 3, no good. 1 minute 40 seconds. No good. Rebound by Vincent to Erwin. Shot clock. 1 minute 28 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. 1 minute 20 seconds. Time remaining fourth quarter. Erwin to Arvin. 10 seconds shot clock. 10, 9, 7, and Francis for 3, no good. Rebound by 1 minute, 6 seconds, time remaining in fourth quarter. No good. Rebound by Vincent. 55 seconds, no good again. And 1. 2-point, foul by Francis Carian. Francis Carian.
They shouldn't even shoot. Just hold it
Double
down.
Eagles.
Right,
Francis.
I know.
How many foul? Third personal foul, Francis. 51 seconds.
52. Score.
51 seconds. 52-57. Foul, foul. 44 seconds, 44. Penalty, 2 shots, penalty, 2 shots. 57-52, 5-point lead, what a game. Two shots, 2 free throws for Castellanos. Good for one. Chris, 58-52.
That's all.
59-52. Time out, Mega Bulls. One more time out for Mega Bulls and one more time out for Double. Yeah, no one, yeah. 44 seconds, 44 seconds.
Penalty na, anong foul to give? Warning na din. Warning.
Timeouts namin.
That's why time out.
44 seconds, 44 seconds. Sam for 3, no good. Jason for 3, no good again. Rebound by Benson. Oh. Donnie. Donnie for 3, no good again. Again, no good. Vincent. 19 seconds, 17 seconds, time remaining. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7. Wow!
Francis. 2 points. Gusto mo dyan or dito ka? Para ma-learn ka yan. Para ma-learn ka kasi minsan kung maglaro ko.
Warm up.
Kasi dito walang problema dito kasi pwede ka nga mabugot ng madali lang to.
Hindi na mayroon may pinong.